In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date question in Google Forms, which is essential for collecting information like dates of birth efficiently. So if you're ready, let's dive in and walk through the entire process step by step. First, let's head over to Google Forms. If you haven't already opened it, just hop on to your browser and navigate to the Google Forms website. Once you're there, either create a new form or open an existing one that you're working on. With the form in front of you, let's focus on adding that specific date question. You'll see there's a default question set up for you. It's set to a multiple choice format right out of the gate. To change this, click on the multiple choice drop-down menu, which is located on the right side of your question. This menu offers different question formats you can choose from, depending on the type of response you're looking to capture from your audience. Next, from the drop-down list, select the date option. This is crucial because it allows the respondent to easily input a date using a calendar interface. Once you've selected date, you'll have a blank question field above the new date selection interface. Here's where you type your question. For this example, let's go with something straightforward like date of birth. This format gives clear direction to your respondents on what specific information you're requesting. Now, it's important to ensure this question is mandatory if it's something you require for your records. Look toward the bottom right of the question block where you'll see a toggle switch for options. Click on Required so it turns blue. This setting mandates the respondent to fill out that particular field before submitting the form. Once you have your question all set and ready, you probably want to see how it looks from a respondent's point of view. Click on the eye icon located at the top right corner of your page. This preview mode is immensely helpful for ensuring everything appears exactly the way you want it to, and it mimics what participants will encounter when they fill out your form. By seeing this preview, you get a chance to modify anything if necessary before sending your form out into the world. Take a look at how your date of birth question presents itself on the screen. Verify that it's functioning as expected and that the required setting enforces mandatory completion. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to integrate a date question into your Google form. Whether you're gathering dates of birth or any other date-specific data, these steps ensure clarity and efficiency for you and the respondents. Thank you for watching and happy form making.